Sige malaw sa patnungay. Wow! Tell you a story about Moses. Before I tell the story, I want to say my Bible memory verse. Psalm 32 verse 7. You are my hiding place. You protect me from my troubles. Now I'm going to tell you the story of baby Moses. Grumpy. You need to listen to, and boys and girls at home watching on Facebook or YouTube, you can listen at my story too. One time there's a name called Moses. He was a little baby boy like this little baby boy. Yeah, you have a baby boy too, right? And they lived in a place called Egypt. Then the Pharaoh was scared of the Israelites because that they got more and more Israelites, and then he was scared that they might take their place, their things like that, and he was like scared, so he made an idea to make them slaves. And they worked, and the Pharaoh thought that will make them weaker and weaker, and no more Israelites. But it didn't work. It got more and more Israelites. Then the Pharaoh got another idea, and he said that baby boys like this baby here and this baby boy that born first, can I throw it into the Nile River? Oh no, they can throw it to the Nile River. And there one family that had a baby named Moses, and that baby was so much cute, and they loved their baby boy. Yeah, and then they were scared that when he grew more and more, the cries can be more louder and more louder. So they were scared that Pharaoh Egyptians can hear that, and then they can kill it. And they were scared, so they got another plan. They made a basket, and it was a waterproof basket because they could put it in the water, and they put baby Moses in it, and then they put it in a basket, and then they covered the lid, and opened the lid back and said, "Shh, be quiet, little baby. I will be with you." And then they put on the lid back, and they walk, they look, and they look. Okay, and they went to the Nile River, and then they put the little basket right there. And Miriam was her brother because she was afraid that a crocodile or an alligator can eat her baby boy. So, and when she was looking and looking, she saw Pharaoh's daughter, the princess, and she was gonna take a bath. So she came by the river, and then when she stand there, she saw the little basket. So she asked one of her maid to get the basket for her. And when she looked inside, just like she saw a little boy that was a baby, and she saw baby Moses. And then she thought, I'm gonna keep this for myself. And then Mary came running through, and then she said, would you like a woman, a Israelite woman, to take care of your baby for you? And she said, sure. And then guess what Mary got? Her mother. She ran to her mother, and then he got her mother, and then she told her what happened, and then the mother came running because he really loved her baby. So the princess said when she's a baby you can have it, but when she grows to a little kid, I'm gonna take him to my palace and let him live there. So and the Pharaoh's daughter named that baby Moses, because that means take out from the water. And your mother said, okay. And then he take Moses to their house, and then they was really happy because their baby didn't got killed, and they were saved because they prayed. And boys and girls, remember, always pray. Then God will answer your prayers. And when baby Moses got in trouble, her mom prayed and her sister prayed for him, so he didn't got any trouble anymore. He didn't die and thrown into the Nile River. So boys and girls, when you're at school, when you're at home lonely, and when you're at a store and you don't find your mom and dad anymore, always pray. Then you will find your mom and dad, or God angels can protect you. Sometimes we are scared and we are lonely, or something bad happened to us. Pray to God, and God will send angels to take care of you, and you will not feel bad anymore. You'll be comfy and safe and warm. So, boys and girls, you guys can pray too. Even my baby brother and me, when we got in trouble, we prayed, and God answered our prayers. So thank you for watching our video. God bless you all. Hello, Mampo Taylor Tari Robangen Teninge. Hat Vilay Moses Kichi Aomhi. Amo Ijapa Tang Him. Tolaya Pharaoh Kumpi Pain Aman Ben baby boy Israelite baby boy there, a firstborn there, ama ben kitat lumding hi Gina. Bahayam chile Israelite de tam zoi na ama mo a place from a city hong in hong lakling ama lao hi Egypt gama Israel mite tam semicha Pharaoh kumbi bain aman ta'wam hi Moses yanule pa Moses ben in a sales hi agap jang a ong ngai sam na ong ngai sam cha anule pa a sitting la cha ama lo ha tuye lu tay lo dia Bolina baby Moses asa koi ina a lid a scene koi ina tu paina hilama Pharaoh got there mian chile ina omlo chapaina tu sunga koi Marian and ending up dan dia kumpi patah nuna tuya ake sedia paina tetapi le bel hat muhi lo hat muhi na anu mei te ha ông la di nga ông so hi te chang le wow china hoi si baby hat chin amin pen Moses chi hi ba hayam tle tu sanga la kya chi na te chang merong tai sam na princess kya nga pharaoh I atanu kya nga aman nume Israelite ha nang na baby adi ang kim sakwamya china kumpi patanuin de maing valau de maing ina vasam china meram in vatai sana nu payo china Pharaoh tanuin Miriam anu kya nga hi baby ong kep sakdia china Miriam anuin okay ong kep sakma ninge in Princess M aman agar chang ke to ong pai sako ke kya nga ong pai sako Miriam le anuin Lumdama hi bahangam chilan a baby pen bang ma chilam dong kita lo ina pasyanin a chunget tem zai ina baby pen saklo hi bang ma chi saklo hi tahangan vang tumite zong baby Moses game cha no zong vang tumite o game sakling hi pasyanin ina chungan papa ing tole nilaw chang zok chungan ding na ina hong na sanga hong chungan papa ding tole pasyanin vang tumite ong pa ding ina ong game sakling na kwalam hong chang puan sa hong sa sakiang na mu chang hong nunu la papa hong om kay pasyan van tumita ong gaming ina na mu hong chang hong chung ending ina anak ching chang hong chung ending in sanga hong chung ending toilet pasyan van tumita ong game sakling hi to pa chupa ong pa cheta hen amen